Hi, I'm Amy Lavin, the CEO here at the SJCC. I'm incredibly excited to show you our nearly complete renovation of our early childhood school. Today, we'll get a quick preview of what we'll unveil in just 3 weeks. You'll barely recognize the place. Let's look around. This incredible update has been made possible from community donors, some transformative gifts, and many from the broad community. This project has happened at warp speed these past few months, pushed by challenges with our tired heating system, a thriving early childhood program that deserves a first-rate contemporary school, and a clearer vision of our future JCC. We decided there's no time like the present. In addition to quick decisions, a stellar internal team, and top-notch partners like Weinstein AU, GLY, and the French-American School of Puget Sound, we were able to keep operations humming while we quickly cleared out the existing education wing and rebuilt the systems and spaces that foster the largest Jewish preschool in Puget Sound and the largest program on Mercer Island. Let me show you a few details. A modern heating and air conditioning system, new lighting, fully painted walls, and new ceilings. I also need to stop and share a huge thanks to our very close friends at Keller Supply, who are supplying all of the plumbing and related fixtures, and Karen and Gary Schwartz, who have helped with this beautiful flooring and so much more. Well, that's just a sneak peek. Thank you for supporting the J, building excitement with us, and we hope to see you on Sunday, September 7th, when we celebrate this incredible advancement and announce the new names of our stellar early childhood school and the beautiful wing in which it lives. This is just the beginning of a reimagined and redeveloped JCC. See you at 10:30 a.m. on Sunday the 7th.